I just got four 100-watt solar panels. It's sun's behind that cloud and it's charging at 23 watts, 24 watts. When the sun comes out, it gets up to about 200 with 4 panels. This is $200 worth of solar panels. Well, a little bit more than that. They were $58 a piece, which I think was a good deal. But 4 of them, it will take 11 hours to charge this thing if it's just in the shade. I have 4 more. No, I have 3 more. Yeah, 3 more at the Glamp site. So hopefully with 7 100-watt solar panels, this thing will charge itself up in an hour. But as it's going right now, 21 watts. Like, look, it's just that one cloud. So the sun is no longer behind the cloud. Well, it is a little bit. And I guess that makes a big difference because I'm charging it 50 watts out of 400 watts worth of solar panels. So hopefully I add this to the 3 that's already up there and we'll get I don't know, 100 watts an hour, 100 watts of solar coming in to charge a 700 watt battery. There we go. It's gone up now. So now it's at 199, 198. Still says it's going to take a whole hour to charge this at 197 watts. And that's from 73%. So not sure what to do about the solar thing because it's expensive. Solar off-grid is expensive. Especially if the sun goes behind the clouds. Like it just did, and it recharges at 48 watts. It says it'll take 5 hours to top this battery off.